Okay guys, so we're at the park and now we're gonna see, come inside.
Welcome to Hogwarts.
Visit like the potion shield. We're back in London and now we're free paths. Sherlock Holmes, which I already did, and Paddington and Harry Potter. And now we're gonna do a Harry Potter path. Let's go!
Welcome back, adventurers. Today, Marina and I have landed in the amazing city of London, full of red buses, royal guards, and secret corners to explore. Let's see what fun kids' places we can find here together. If you haven't watched our last video from London, you really should. It was full of amazing places and fun moments. Go find it on my channel and don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss our next adventures.
Scott, can you tell me about the Harry Potter park and when it was created?
Oh, that's a magical story, Marina. Harry Potter was created by a writer named J.K. Rowling. She got the idea while sitting on a train, dreaming about a boy who discovers he's a wizard, and the rest became pure magic.
I want to go to the Harry Potter park on a train, but it's actually not in London, Scotland. Scott, can you tell me about the Harry Potter park and when it was created?
The Harry Potter Studio Tour opened in 2012, right here in London, at the same place where they filmed the movies. It was made so fans like you can see real sets, props, and feel the magic of Hogwarts in real life.
So I really like the Harry Potter film. I watched all of them, and I definitely recommend it, but most of you already watched it.
The Harry Potter movies are full of magic, mystery, and friendship. Watching them feels like stepping straight into Hogwarts.
Okay guys, so we're at the park and now we're gonna come inside.
Get ready for magic, spells, and maybe even a flying broom or two.
Welcome to Hogwarts. James will push forward for me, please. Excellent, thank you very much. Round of applause. And come on in, everyone. This is, of course, the Great Hall.
Marina is entering the Great Hall, one of the most magical places at Hogwarts. This is where students celebrated feasts, got sorted into houses, and even saw snow falling from the enchanted ceiling. Fun fact, those floating pumpkins were real props filled with lights during the filming.
Guys, so this is the actual set that they used for the actual film, and for some real food over there. So yeah, I want this to be my Halloween.
Everything here in the studio is real movie magic. The actual costumes, props, and sets used in the Harry Potter films. It's like stepping right into the Great Hall at Hogwarts for real. Next stop during the tour, the potions classroom. This is where Professor Snape taught his students how to mix magical brews and tricky elixirs. The bottles on the shelves are filled with real ingredients like herbs and spices to make everything look perfectly real on camera.
Is it like the potion shield?
Oh, Marina, look at this. The costume design in the Harry Potter movies was pure art. Every robe, cloak, and hat was made by real designers to match each character's magic and personality. Even the smallest details, like buttons and fabric, were chosen to make the wizarding world feel totally real. There are real animators working here at the studio. They're the magic makers behind the creatures and special effects. Friends, remember this huge clock with the swinging pendulum? It's the famous Hogwarts clock tower from the movies. It appeared in several magical scenes and was built right here in the studio. And yes, it's a real, working set, not just movie magic.
That was actually like in the actual very well.
Marina found the famous pensieve, the magical basin where wizards can see memories.
It's got a real sense of personality.
Dumbledore's office. This is where the headmaster of Hogwarts worked his magic, made potions, and talked with his phoenix fox.
So this is Hagrid's house.
Here, Marina, you can see the real movie props, like the vault cart from Gringotts Bank, and even parts of magical machines used in the films. All of these were built by the movie team to make the wizard world look real on screen. It's like stepping straight into the magic factory of Harry Potter. This cozy spot is the Weasleys' living room from the Burrow. Here, you can even try a bit of movie magic. Objects in the room move on their own, just like spells are being cast. It's one of the most fun interactive spots in the whole studio. Haha, look at Marina, already practicing her magic.
There you go. No problem. Okay. We are going to take a little wander back round the way we came so we can see that Death Eater procession.
When you visit the Harry Potter studio, they give you a special Harry Potter passport. You can collect magical stamps at different spots around the tour. One for each famous location, just like a true wizard traveler. Haha, yes, Marina. You really have to press hard to get that perfect stamp.
Beginner wizards do. He and Paul Harris agreed that a wizard couldn't simply buy a better wand to become better at magic.
Aw, Marina, you're so shy. And that makes you even cuter.
Next thing, the Dementors. Now, if you don't want to see this, we have got obviously water-based smoke effect.
Wow, Marina, look, it's the magic forest. I can almost hear the creatures hiding behind the trees.
3 Dementors on their way. Keep an eye out for them.
In the early movies, they weren't just computer effects. They used real puppets hanging on wires underwater to make their cloaks float creepily like in space. Later, they added CGI to make them look even scarier on screen. Wow, those are Dementors. Even I'm scared, Marina. Let's get out of here before they see us. It's the spiders from the Forbidden Forest. Brr, they're huge. Yay! Christmas time, Marina. Let's go pick out some magical souvenirs.
This is for my hammies. I have 2 hammies, so I want these. Okay, I don't care that they're called Cookie and Snowy. I'm still taking it. This is like the storm one, because we're gonna go to a snowy place for winter. I want to go to the snowy. Okay, guys, so I bought some clothes and I bought some of something that's gonna keep me warm, and I'm gonna use it tonight. So we bought some decorations and Harry Potter, which we're gonna put on our tree this year.
Oh yes, Marina. This year your Christmas tree will be totally magical. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. More magical adventures are coming soon. Oh wow, Marina, look, it's a real copy of King's Cross Station, and that old-fashioned train is the famous Hogwarts Express from the movies.
Yes.
Haha, I can tell, Marina. You're ready to grab your suitcase and jump straight on the train to Hogwarts. The train is an actual old steam engine called the Olton Hall, and it really worked before becoming part of movie magic. Oh, and guess what, Marina? This studio also has an outdoor playground where kids can run, play, and feel like real wizards after the tour. It's the perfect place to end a magical day.
You know, the very first time I saw you, I recognized you immediately.
Oh wow, Marina. That's the flying car from the second Harry Potter movie, the Chamber of Secrets. It's the one Harry and Ron used to zoom all the way to Hogwarts when they missed the train. Wow, Marina, look at you on that bike. That's Hagrid's flying motorcycle, the same one he used to carry baby Harry Potter to safety. Marina, you're in the Hogwarts greenhouse. Those plants are from Professor Sprout's herbology class. Remember the noisy mandrakes?
Like a military campaign would have our makeup providing contact lenses fitted, then finally just
Oh, Marina, this section is all about the special effects and creature design. Here they made masks, models, and even animatronic creatures like goblins and the Monster Book of Monsters. Haha, Marina is turning into Dobby the house elf. Wow, Marina, this is Gringotts Wizarding Bank. It's where wizards keep their gold, treasures, and magical secrets safe. Oh, Marina, look at all that treasure. These are real movie props. The exact gold and silver cups, coins, and jewels used in the Gringotts scenes. You can see them up close here in the studio, and they sparkle just like in the movie. Pure wizard magic made real. Oh, Marina, this is Diagon Alley, the most famous wizard street in the world. It's where Harry bought his wand, books, and even his owl. Wow, Marina, that's the incredible model of Hogwarts Castle. This huge miniature was used in the movies to film all those magical flying scenes and stunning views. Every tower, window, and bridge was built with amazing detail. Pure movie magic. And at the end of the tour, there's a super magical shop, Marina. You can choose your very own magic wand and find millions of other wizard treasures, from chocolate frogs to Hogwarts robes. It's like stepping into Diagon Alley one last time before heading home.
And you're a Hufflepuff!
Haha, that hat really suits you, Marina.
I really like this place. I think everybody should check it out. Bye!
Guys, if you liked our magical Harry Potter adventure, don't forget to give this video a big like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. More amazing journeys with Marina are coming soon. See you in the next adventure.